Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, don't forget to like and subscribe. Just click the button down below to hit the subscribe, and then also hit the bell right next to it, so that way you guys can get my notifications whenever I do some reviews, whenever I do like tutorials or anything, like I do travel vlogs. So you guys just, click that bell so that way you'll be notified. There is 90% of you guys who are watching my videos and y'all aren't clicking the subscribe or the like button. Some of y'all are clicking the like button, but I need y'all to subscribe as well, so that way you guys can get the videos and get in with the T Chappelle 04 crew. Hey! No, so if you guys like this review, just let me know what you think. You can also leave inquiries, or you can send them to my email. I will leave my link, or my email down below, so that way you guys can send them to me. All right, thank you guys for watching. Just watch this review, tell me what you think. So today's review is going to be from Influencer and Influenster, and I'm going to be reviewing their product that the product that they sent me. I'll be doing an unboxing, and it is the Nivea. So in it came, I've already opened it, so in it came two Nivea creams. So there was this big size, and then there was like a travel size. So I took the travel size and I put it in my desk at work, and I use it on my hands. So this one, I've been using it when I get out the shower. So I had just got out the shower, and I love the way that it smells. It smells so good, and it's like really thick consistency. And I've been using this stuff. Now I will say it smells really good, but I will say that it could have a different smell. I'm not too big on the fragrance that they use. It's really flowery, but I will say it's helped my skin a great deal. I definitely thank Influencer for this. I received it free for testing purposes, in exchange to give you guys my honest opinion. And my honest opinion is I really like this stuff. I would buy it, just in a different fragrance. That's the only thing, because this flower fragrance is really strong. But other than that, I really like this. I'm gonna continue to buy it. So tell me what you guys think. This is the Nivea cream from Influencer. I'll leave my link down below. You guys can always just add Influencer. You get free stuff to test it out before it hits either the shelves, if it hasn't already, or just for you to test it so you can tell your friends and stuff like that. So tell me what you guys think. This is my review on it. All right, bye.